Living abroad is an exciting experience that allows people to discover new cultures, languages, and ways of life. Moving to another country can help individuals become more independent, confident, and open minded. It also provides opportunities to meet new people from different backgrounds and build lifelong friendships. However, I'm a very ambitious woman who believes that hard work, determination, and perseverance are the key to success. I always set goals for myself and do my best to achieve them. No matter how challenging they may seem, I enjoy learning new skills, taking on new responsibilities, and growing both personally and professionally. I believe that every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger and wiser. Hi guys! It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-update sa aking channel. Hello to everyone out there. Thank you for subscribing even though hindi na ako active so much sa aking channel. And for today's video, nandito tayo sa Abu Dhabi Royal M Hotel. And ito yata yung pinaka-expensive purchase ko ngayon. Kasi may technique ako kasi nag-share kami ng ka-workmate ko. And nakuha lang namin ng cheaper price to sa Agoda. So if you want the cheaper price and gusto niyo magbakasyon, upload lang kayo ng Agoda app. And you know, kapag tumatanda ka na, tinatamad ka na mag-makeup, tinatamad ka na mag-ayos, pero maganda pa rin. But, you know, it's been a while guys. How are you all? My last vlog is siguro nasa Taiwan pa ako. But, more vlog is sa hotel. And, you know, para siyang crimson. Alam nyo, this hotel, para siyang crimson na para lang siyang sa Boracay. And, you know, I'm so happy kasi nakapagbakasyon ako today. So guys, ito-tour ko kayo sa hotel na to. So the first thing na makikita nyo is yung mirror. And gusto ko, ayoko nang masyadong madilim. Gusto ko yung light lang. And then, may ano sila, may shampoo, towels dito. And then, may bathtub sila. Kakaiba kasi nasa loob yung bathtub nila guys. Alam nyo ba guys, takot na takot ako kasi may pumasok na guest pero hindi ko nalock yung pinto ko. So, oh my god. So, meron silang vanity kit dito. Ayan. So, stroke comb. May combs sila. And, eto yung room namin ni Cherish. My friend Cherish. Ito yung bed ni Cherish. Ito yung bed ko. Gusto ko kasi nasa window ako kasi maganda. And may pa-design pa sila ng pinggan. So mamaya i-ano ko, i-video ko mamaya yung whole room. So ayan guys. So pagka labas mo dito guys, meron tayong swimming pool. Ayan. So, this is our sala. And makikita mo, naka-Afrobeat. Ito yung pool nila, guys. See the view. This is Albatin. Ito yung room namin. So, pagka-enter mo, nandito yung room. This one. Alam nyo, guys, pag dito kayo sa abroad, you need to have life hacks talaga guys. Kasi guys, kailangan nyo talaga yung life hacks. You know? And then, hindi na ako nag-upload masyado. But, eto guys, room tour lang to. And then, if you want to go to any hotel, dalhin nyo yung mga yung mga souvenirs na, kasi binayaran nyo naman yan, life hacks. And kumuha pala ako ng 2 beds para sa amin ni Cherish. And also, if you want a cheaper hotel guys, mag-ano kayo, magbaon kayo ng food. Kasi napakamahal ng breakfast dito guys. Alam nyo ba, dito sa abroad,
You cannot even cry, you cannot even feel anything because we need to be strong dito sa abroad. It's been 3 years that I am here in Abu Dhabi, and you know, I love this place so much. And even though pauwi naman ako or kahit saan ako pumunta, na-vlog ko yung day na to. Especially kasi I'm with my friend also, Cherish. Mamaya pa siya kasi may pinuntahan siyang birthday. And mamaya, if mag-swimming kami or mag-jacuzzi, update ko kayo guys.
Linayan? Oo, dito ka para kita dito. Wala na. Huwag mo nang ikalat. Huwag mo nang ikalat. Sige. Memories yan. Yan. Uy, 25 lang to. Ay, narinig. Okay na yan, tipid. Guys, uy, 25 lang to kasi yung 3 notes sa ano yun, shipping or parang service fee. Kunwari ano, wag story lang to. Ay, wala pala tayo sa mga. Chat mo nga doon eh. At walang pinasabay na spoon. Meron. Ay, story nga. Pero sa loob, may dalawa. Wala nagingin tayo kanina sa... Ina! Take it! Ano kayang lasa neto?
This is the sauna.
Welcome everyone. But we have to, ano no? Proper na